Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is sending this message to 13. She's having a lot to say about 13. She's saying that Miss T is preventing like people from, following her or from watching her. She's just sending a message to her followers to, not to follow her, just
I'm
as
doing a
she is
live
saying
now.
to
I'll talk
her
to you later.
that, you know what, I'm not going to be following you anymore. So go ahead and watch the video and see what Maxine has to say. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a wonderful morning.
Follow you no more. I know really. So you want to say you're not 13. I tell the Plancatarians, them say you know to stop follow 13. Hey, winky, winky. 13. 13, come here because you're this big and fool, so. Come make you big and fool, so 13. 13. Then I don't have no reason for come out and say, he not follow you. Unless he have an ulterior motive. In 13, unless Dana have an ulterior motive, if you come out and tell us that she not follow you. You know that. You do know that, right? She's only telling her flankatarians them that don't follow you. Don't follow you. Because by rights, you're not 13. She can't come out and tell nobody what to do on them platform. Nobody can tell her what to do on fear. But it's just this Sykes that's how she work. Oh, you know what happened to 13? You ain't getting no bonus this year. 13. You not get no bonus this year. Last year you beg your way through. You get all cake. But 13, this year, no cake not there for you. No cake is not there for you. She don't even have enough to sell. You know that 13. 13. Come here. Let me talk to you. Woman to man. Woman to man, 13. Come here. 13. 13. Woman to man, me I talk to you. You not get no bonus this year. Is a so Dana a general, you know. Dana a one piece of general. And she know how to work the system. You know when you have a very, very good employee that's working for you, very good one. Use a very good one. Oh, you cuss out raw sphere. You cuss from them mama, papa, sister, brother, go right down the line for. Oh yes, you have to get good pay. So when you work at some big place, then put on all one pencil for your teeth. As so at that individual, you then put on all one pencil for your teeth if then fire you. I fire you, you know. You fire out your ass. Me say the lady fire you. The lady fire you. How did you say that the problem? Oh yes, in the cost me and you. Anne Marie, 13 that me and you fought, but me not pay 13 no mind because say I've vex 13 vex. 13 vex. 13 don't have nothing what to say. Not one thing what she not have to say. Cause when you go talk about me take 6 phone to watch Dana. Watch Dana for watch Dana and give him goal over there. Me love goal, you know, love goal bad. You know give a goal over there. When me go take 6 phone to go watch her, to do what? To do what? Hmm? How somebody block you and every time they come on their live you get notification? How does somebody block you? How somebody unfollow you but yet you still get notification? Are you losing your mind, 13? Oh, you sound like you're losing your mind. I don't even want your voice on my platform. I'm not even gonna play your thing. But oh my God, you're so crying. You are crying, 13. 13, everybody gone, oh, me don't know what to do. Me don't know what gonna happen. Am I gonna lose my 13? You know the whole fucking ropes. You know the ropes from the top to the bottom. You know the ropes from the top to the bottom. So don't come on here going, oh, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna lose my page? Am I gonna this? Am I gonna that? You know you're not get 1 fucking cent. You're not getting no bonus. No bonus this year for you. Hi, Cherise. Cherise, how you do? Cherise, I haven't seen you in a long time, Cherise. Oh yes, me dear, me dey enjoy myself. And for those of you who they jump on my page, they talk about congratulations. Please look at the man them face look good because I know the same man in all of the picture them. I know the same man in all of the picture them. And for those of you who say me down here they catch man, me not catching no man down here. You can't have a good friend where you and them go out. And then give you a good body massage, winky. Huh? You tell me if you no can't have a good friend where you no go out with and have a little fun. If something have to be in there. When I can. Oh, sometimes it's... Oh, okay. Mr. Sherry, see people them disgusting, you see. They send me congratulations. They see me with one man out of Margaritaville. Congratulations. What do mean congratulations? Me always a man. Me always a man round me. Everywhere me go, man, they round me. Believe me when I tell you that. Me know say that you mean, Cherise. Me always have man round me. Morning, noon, and night. Me have to run from them. Now then, I will say, oh, me come out of Jamaica if come live now, and me either they go sell pussy, or me I go have this, do this and do that. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do anything. I'm not here to live. I'm not here to live at all. I'm just here to enjoy myself. What I want each and every one of you to understand, I am 60 years old. I'm not a teenager. Diabetic, high blood pressure, all sorts of problems. So I have all right to live my life. I'm living my life like I'm not going to see tomorrow, which I literally may not see tomorrow. So I'm going to be living my life. Me not make no live my life for me. If me want walk naked in a social media or in a me real life, I for me business. For me business. Them a past idiot laugh at me. Them a past idiot. Each and every one of them. Laugh at me. I am so happy and so at peace. I am so happy and so at peace. When I look and see everything that open up on the whole of them, all the lies them what they tell and everything what come out. Look pan man V, mightyful God, and she still they come out, they do like say, me see she put up one post yesterday, come on my timeline, and me see she put up one post a chat, like you forget that you are a murderer too? Like you really ate Sophie that you tell Lauren for poison her? You are an hater. You hate people. You don't like nobody. And you talk about everything of God. Me say, me want God to twist up their mouth for them. Oh, God make us human being and God this and God that. Me want hold them and pull them tongue right out of their head. Me want to hold them and pull out their tongue out of their head when they open their mouth and talk about God. Me I tell you the truth. Because it's not making any sense. It's not making no sense at all. All in the name of God. For what reason? You know the devil. Just keep being the devil. She never blocked 13. She only unfollowed her. And she said anytime she wanted to on 13 page, she would want. Yeah, me didn't ask you anything, you know. Me never ask you nothing whether I'm block 13 or in delete 13 or in unblock 13 or in block and delete and remove. I don't give one fuck. But I come out and I said what I have to say. Just like how 13 come out and say she block me and she delete me and she this and that, and 13 don't know one motherfuck whether the same thing me they come out and do. Me no want no 13 defender come over here to come defend 13 whether them block 13 or then delete 13 or whatever they do for 13. Me, they tell us say she block her, she delete her and she remove her. Whatever you no want to say that a phone no business. Same like how she can come out and tell the whole world say me get block, delete and whatever the fuck is. And it's not so. If me want to say that, I can say that. I don't need nobody to come defend what I said. I said it and I said it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very, very much. But 13, you sound very hurt. You sound so hurt that you literally, I can literally hear your tears coming down. I can literally hear your tears coming down the way how you hurt. But instead of cussing me, instead of focusing on me and cussing me 13, just put 99 name in a way you put for me name. And it would sound much better. Because I kind of remove my name from there and put 99 name in it. And my sister, you really want to cuss off the drawers what she have on. Me can't say you really want to cuss our drawers off. But go ahead and do it. They are coming out here like they were always good. Yes! Yes, and then I see she put up a post. She put up a post and she gone with herself and she gone with God and she gone with God and how she gone with herself. She gone with herself so till she can't go on with herself. God, me I tell her say from me put out my picture them and say laugh at me. Yes, laugh at me before she go and go pay attention to her big old dirty soul foot what she have. She come out here, they run after people. You know, shame. But you they run, they cost for 99. You they, but you shouldn't even they cost for 99 because you're done when tell 99 what's up already. You're done when tell her class already and tell her all her hand short and can't wash her pussy. The whole on we have the same saying. Yes. So I don't know how you come now the defender. How you feel you now? Because number one, you can't too say nothing, you know. Because your boss now run that pan film live. No. 99 saying no one thing name call, so your boss can't even run that pan film live. So now you gone pan the one little platform, but 13. I know YouTube you have. You don't go to get little stars 13. 13 you have to have a whole heap of stars to get money. And 13 I do believe that you may not even see dollar from out of that stars. Because I don't think you're in a country where you, but 13, you don't have no social and no ID and no like that. We call it the stars money. I want to say after 13 go. 13. You they worry about the stars, them you never don't get the stars, them 13. So you don't make no sense you make the people them put no stars on your page. Because don't you have to fill out a nice, decent tax return paper to get the stars money, don't it? But 13, you can't do that. 13, you can't go there with people name. You can't use people info. You cannot borrow people PayPal. You cannot borrow people cash up and sell. I know for you it. It's not yours. You really hurt do 13. Oh my God, me sorry for 13, you see. Me sorry for 13 till me can't sorry for 13 no more. Because if 13 when just be a good girl 13, you would have it going for you right now. I'm telling you, you would have it going for you. Enough of no put no foot in our no mouth, you know. Enough of no put no foot right in our no mouth and black on no blessing. Only part no. But no come out the cuss with Dana. Why only the cuss with Dana? Then I'm trying to say no want no defender. Then I know how to hey. Listen to me now, you know. Then I really know how to call and how to come cuss, you know. He wake up a lot of uno and carry no out here back. But some of no have no sense. As laugh at me, say me no fi address the situation, because I was just gonna address some certain situation, you know. Because me hear certain people they call laugh at me name. Yes, and they do like they want to come address laugh at me. You can't address laugh at me, you know. You can't. You cannot. Because you know, in a no shape, style or nothing at all. You know, they know upon this earth to even address her. Yeah, man. Me see a whole heap of no want to come out and do like you no want to do and address him. In a no day laugh at me. In a no day. Laugh at me. In a no day, not one of them can come out and address you. In a no day. Much more night. Much more night. So laugh at me. You see me picture them? Me send some, you know, say you first me send some picture too. But me no look like you see them. Laugh at me send you a whole heap of picture and video, you know. Oh yes, your girl hot like a 10 fire tick. They want 24 fire tick for this a girl, yeah. Me say laugh at me. Me all put on weight, you know, laugh at me. All me leg then put on weight on them. Not the one them on social media, the one them me send from gear, but me don't know what happened to the something come me can't say you know see them. But me dear, oh yes, me post a whole heap out there. And I cannot post some of them laugh at me because it's serious. Then we send the arm guard down here for me. It's serious. It's serious. Still the people them think me down here they catch man. Me not catch no man down here, you know. Me just they have fun. Me say, me just they have fun. Me just they enjoy me little self. Hi, Christine, my darling. How are you? Christine, everything is good, man. Christine, everything is good. Everything is good. And Pum Pum Corner is coming from everywhere. Me now go just there one place. I do Pum Pum Corner. They say me no live